Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make an avocado bread sandwich. First, gather your fresh ingredients for a delicious meal. You will need 2 slices of your preferred bread, 1 ripe avocado, and your choice of seasonings. Make sure your avocado is perfectly ripe, feeling slightly soft when gently squeezed. This ensures it will mash smoothly for the best texture. Now let's prepare the star of our sandwich, the avocado. Carefully slice your ripe avocado in half lengthwise and remove the large pit. Then, using a spoon, scoop all the creamy green flesh into a small bowl. Take a fork and mash the avocado until it reaches your preferred consistency, whether you like it smooth or with a few small chunks. With your avocado mashed, it's time to assemble your delicious sandwich. First, toast your bread slices to a perfect golden brown. This adds a wonderful crunch. Next, generously spread the mashed avocado evenly over one or both slices of the toasted bread. Finally, add any extra toppings you love, like a sprinkle of sea salt, a dash of black pepper, or even some red pepper flakes for a little kick. Your avocado bread sandwich is almost ready. Carefully place the second slice of bread on top to complete your creation. For a classic and appealing presentation, slice your sandwich in half diagonally. This makes it easier to eat and looks great on a plate. Enjoy your fresh, homemade avocado sandwich. And for more great kitchen solutions, including those handy leak-proof containers, check out the links and other deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.